What is protein?
Protein is an essential nutrient for the human body composed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Protein also consists of amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein molecules. There are 20 different types of amino acids. Each performs a specific job in order for your body to be healthy. Your body can synthesize or make up 11 of the 20 amino acids, leaving 9 other amino acids you have to get from your diet. Now let's talk about what proteins do. When you think of protein and what it does, I bet you think it only helps build muscle mass.
Which you are not wrong, but protein does much more than build muscle mass. It makes important compounds like enzymes, which cause specific chemical reactions in the body to help with the breaking down of carbs and fats. Protein also makes up hormones, which is a chemical released into the bloodstream to control specific body processes. And antibodies, which are proteins that defend the body against infections and disease. Basically helps with immunity.
The other thing protein does is carry vital substances such as proteins linked with fats, lipoproteins, carry fats in the bloodstream, which transports iron and other nutrients. The amount of oxygen transported in the blood also depends on protein. Your health will suffer if proteins are not available to carry these vital substances.
Another thing proteins do is provide energy. Only proteins can provide critical growth and repair cells. The number one priority is to provide cells with energy. Proteins are also a backup energy source if there is a lack of carbs and fats in your diet. Where does protein come from in your diet?
Most people think that you can only get protein from meats and animal byproducts, but did you know that there are many different plant sources of protein, such as grains, nuts, seeds, and legumes? Legumes are the most nutrient-rich plant protein source because they have the ability to capture nitrogen from the air and transfer it to protein-rich seeds. Some examples of legumes are peanuts, black-eyed peas, kidney beans, lentils, and others. Meals you could eat are black-eyed peas, chili, vegan lentils tacos, and many more. How much protein do you need?
Your body doesn't store protein, so you need it every day. The amount of protein you need can vary based on your height, gender, age, body size, and if you're pregnant. The RDA of protein for males within the ages of 14 through 18 is about 52 grams, and for women within the ages of 14 and 18 is about 46 grams of protein per day. Do athletes need more protein?
Well-trained athletes do need a little more protein to build muscle and supply energy. However, it's not much more than an extra glass of milk or some chicken. That will do the trick. What's the best type of protein?
Choose low-fat protein food, often such as fat-free milk, low-fat cheese, most fish, and legumes are low-fat. Protein sources that are good for heart health and helps prevent cancer. What are the risks of too little or too much protein?
Negative nitrogen balance is when you don't consume enough protein, which can lead to deteriorating tissue because you are losing more nutrients than you are consuming, otherwise known as starvation. Positive nitrogen balance is when you consume more protein than needed. This can lead to overreduction of nitrogen waste, which starts to damage the liver and kidneys because it's putting strain on them with the overproduction of nitrogen waste.